Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing the November-December Beem Box, okay? How about that new box? How about that? And for those of you who are not familiar with the Beem Box, I will leave all the information down below so that you will be armed and ready when it's time for you to go ahead and subscribe for yourself. Now, there's also a link down below to save you some money on your first box. So when we open it up, everything is always packaged so nice and neatly. And we also have our description card, which looks like this. And it says, the Beem Box, I'm ready for my close-up. And on the back, we have a list and description of all the items that are enclosed, including a rubrics across the bottom to let you know which products are cruelty-free, vegan, and women-owned. So let's just check out what's in the box. The very first item that we have, it's a duo. How about that? And quite beautiful it is, or they are. And it would be these two products right here. And this is the Ari Nail Polish. And it's a vegan and woman-owned product, okay, as well as company. And it says these nourishing vegan nail colors are clean, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. The colors are formulated without any harmful chemicals. Ari Nail Lacquer is also 100% black female owned, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price, I'm gonna have to look it up and let you know because the prices are no longer listed, okay? Now, I must admit, the packaging is beautiful. Now, the shades that I have are Rouge Bordeaux, and this one is Nude Blush, okay? These are our first two products in this month's box. Then the next item that we have is by Laritzi Cosmetics, okay? And this is the Artistry Palette. Okay. Wow. All right, and oh, that's beautiful. It says, this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right, and it says, this is cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned business. The Artistry Palette features a mix of mattes and shimmers. These shadows are formulated to deliver smooth, highly blendable color for a buildable eye look that will take you from day to night. Now, this item has a 12-month shelf life, and there are 5 shades inside, and it does come with a mirror, okay? And these are the shades. All right, now let's just go ahead and swatch and see. This brown is beautiful. We're gonna do 2 mattes and a shimmer, and we're going to go in the order in which they appear in the palette. This is what the shades look like. And, oh, look at that. How about that? That shimmer is doing its thing, boy. It is truly doing its thing. I like it. It's almost a copper tone. This one at the top would be cider. This is crisp. And this one is toasted. All right. And that is item number 2. Then the next item we have is a lipstick. All right. And this one is by Medusa Makeup. Okay. And this is the matte liquid lipstick. This one is cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned business as well. And this beautiful liquid lipstick goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. The Stay On All Day formula glides on smoothly for easy application, then dries to the perfect matte lip. Okay, shall we swatch it? I think we shall. And the shade that I have is called Fetish. And it's not giving me a shelf life, but it is a 6.0 milliliters or 0.20 fluid ounces. This is what the shade looks like, as well as the inside packaging. And let's just go ahead and swatch. This is a beautiful purple shade. How about that? Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm looking forward to wearing that one. Very, very nice. Okay, and that is item number 3. Then item number 4 is by Mimi Makeup, and this is the Expert Liner. It says the liner is designed to give you full control and ultra precision with long wearing definition. With the innovative thin and flexible tip, expect a quick drying, smudge-proof, and water-resistant finish in one stroke. Okay, as seen in Cosmopolitan magazine. And this one is cruelty-free and vegan as well. And it is a 0.01 fluid ounces. Wow. This one has a 3-month shelf life. Wow. I think this is probably the first one I've ever seen with the 3-month shelf life. We may have to drop everything else that we have to use this one for a while. But look at that tip. Okay, well, let's go right through the middle. There we go. And that went on really smooth, really smooth. Love, love, love the packaging. That is nice. Okay. And that is item number 4. And then the last item in our box is by Alera Apothecary, and it is a moisturizing body butter. And this is what the packaging looks like. Okay. And this one is cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned business as well. And it says, delivering a luxurious experience that moisturizes the skin and warms the mood. This one, it says, feel confident with this moisturizing body butter made with sandalwood and patchouli. And this is all natural ingredients sourced in Africa. And this is a 2.0 fluid ounce size. Okay, I do not have an expiration date, but we are certainly opening this to... Okay, this is truly solid. Do you see that? Body butter for real. Yes, okay. I do like how it feels. Definitely like how it feels. Okay, this was a very nice box. Very nice. And I'm saying it like I'm surprised, but I'm really not, because this is what happens every month with our Beem Box. I don't think I've gotten a box that I did not like and did not use the products out of. That's more important. Okay, now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our November-December Beem Box, okay? Because it has arrived. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.